Hey, I'm Megan with WTI, and there are two things that I always look for when purchasing a collar for my dog. One is I want something that is durable and going to last, and two, I want it to be in a color and pattern that I fall in love with, something that I'm not going to get tired of after a couple of weeks. This newly purchased dog collar by Downtown Pet Supply checks both of those boxes for me. I absolutely fell in love with this cute floral pattern for my puppy Lola. She is the only girl I have. I really love buying for my dog cute little girly patterns, and this one I felt was adorable and perfect for spring. The material on this dog collar is really strong and durable. The buckle is nice and big and strong. There's no worries about that collar falling off. And of course it comes with the D-ring so that you can attach the leash to it when you're taking your dog for a walk. I got the dog collar in medium, and it adjusts from 10 inches to 17 inches. So overall, I'm really happy with this dog collar. It is very well made, and I just love the cute floral pattern on it. And that's my point of view.